Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily create your own questionnaire in Honeybook. But right before we go into that, what you can do is just like easily claim a 20% of Honeybook for 1 year when you're going to click on a link down below in the description. So you're going to click on a link and you can easily claim the discount. So when we're going to be here, I'm going to show you how you can actually create your questionnaire. So right here, when you're going to be in your project, how to get to projects, you want to click on the projects on the top, and then you're going to be YouTube channel. And then you're going to open it. And then go to top right, create new, and questionnaire. Right here, you can choose from the templates. And I'm going to create a blank questionnaire so I can show you everything, how it works. So, how it works and why is the questionnaire really great. Questionnaire is amazing in a way that if you need any additional information from the client, you can get it right here. So it's much better than lead capture. This is just for your client. So let's say that I'm going to have a therapy, right? And I'm going to use Honeybook for that, or consultation for business. And let's say that I'm going to have all of this to fill out. So let's say what you can do first is to add a block. And we can add a text, questions, image, video, divider, company info, layouts. Then you're gonna have the image that you can change your logo by clicking here on the right side, replace. And then we're gonna have the name of the company. I like how it is, so I'm not going to change it. Of course, you can edit it. Then comes the most important thing, how the question works here. So first, we're gonna have pre-prepare the questions and the options. So what you can do always is click plus here, and you can add a text, image, or a question. So let's say I'm going to add a question here, and on the right side, you have option what kind of questions you want to add. So you can have a short text, like this one is short text. Then we're gonna have also the long text. Then we have options to add a drop down. Drop down is really amazing. Let's say that you're gonna choose, I don't know, how much money you're making from 0 to 10K, from 10K to 25K, and people can choose the drop down. Then we have the single choice. Single choice is like, how did you hear about us? Google, YouTube. Multiple choice, we can have where are you going to promote the product? YouTube, TikTok, Google. Multiple choice. Then we have the date picker. Is like, okay, when did you start working in your business? At what date? Then we have the use popular linked questions. So we can have a phone number. So change question type or add address. Or you can simply come here and add, click plus here, question, and add a lead source or a project type. And you can really use all of these questions that I can have about the project, budget, or guests. So I can even add a budget here. And it's going to be automatically linked. So all those question types that you're going to have on the bottom. So then I'm going to click plus here. And I'm going to add a question. All of these popular linked questions, they are going to be automatically linked to your project details. So when you're going to have the phone number, the lead source, the project date, the guests, everything is directly connected with your project. So when you're going to have it, you can easily type the question. So I'll what's your pet name? I'm just making this up. What's your pet name? Address. And you can on the right side, you can always change. The question is required. You can have it like that. Budget. You can have it too. And then you can have time the question here, etc. So all of that you can easily edit and change. And now when you're gonna have it and when you're gonna fill everything here, what you can do on the top right, you can easily preview it and like see how it looks like, your whole questionnaire. And then you can have option to also on the top right click send test, that you can send it to someone to test it out. So you can send it to yourself, like how it works, how you want to fill out, like I don't know what kind of questions you're going to ask, what kind of information you need. But this is where you can do it. And then on the bottom, on the top right again, you can share it. So we have some issues here. Let's say I'm going to delete it. And again, on the top right, I will go to share. And then I can have like email to and a subject. And then you can edit the logo, the button, and everything here. So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. And this is how you can create questionnaire in Honeybook. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.